letting go. Hey guys, trying to get yenhloko here, but they don't have it. So, hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you're good. Hope you're feeling fine. My throat is not okay, so they don't have it here. Happy Monday, by the way. We're going to go check another place. Let's go. Hi everybody. We're at the second location now, guys. Let's see if it's going to be yenhloko. No, mhluzu. Sammy.
Why were you washing your hands?
What do you mean? Oh, Njani. Thank you. Shop. Okay, thank you. Delivery has arrived. Hi, beautiful people. How I've missed saying that. My goodness. I've been down bad with the flu. To think the other day, I was like, hey, I hope that viral flu doesn't get me. And guess what? The viral flu caught me. The viral flu caught me. A G like me? No, fam, no, fam. But honestly, I was down bad like one day, okay? Because can take a good man down, period. So today is gloomy, it's cloudy. It is not that cold, but the weather is like doom. I'm not explain, not doom, but gloom. Yeah, it's gloom. The weather is gloomy. So it makes it feel like a band, but a band, because I was outside just now. And yeah, so we're on our way out. Kids are still by Gogo, but they'll be coming back soon. Don't know when, maybe today, probably tomorrow, I don't know. We're about to leave the house now. Not sure how the day is gonna go, but yeah. We're out here. Just wanted to let you guys know that we're up again. The package arrived. I showed you guys now. I'll open it as soon as Oncle is here. And yes, what else? Yeah, enjoy this vlog, guys. Love you. The camera looks dim. I think Oriwe that was. Try clean it. Yeah, guys.
I actually miss my back hairs.
Your back hairs.
Yeah, the wind.
Because Gabanda. So we are just walking down the road from our parents' place because we're going to funeral. So yeah, so we're just gonna go and see them now. Okay, guys. There's Cal.
Yeah, it is weird.
That time I'm wearing pants, but I'll just wrap it around my waist when we get there.
My waist, down,
and then, yeah.
It's smoky.
There's hair.
It's smoky though.
There's a bit of hair there.
I think they did that to burn over paper thing. So yeah. And say okay, no what?
Literally, there's no way. I can't breathe.
So as in using Joanne. Joy, I fully be seen now.
Run again, Sarah.
That's where the milk stays.
Oh.
You recording?
Yeah. You have fresh milk?
Whoa. Like the bill.
Hi, right. This is a cuts. Thank you, baby.
There's no spoon. Must find this spoon.
Ish, man, I'll tap that now. Yeah, right. Pa?
Only me.
Guys, let's taste a baby zan. Chilla's punch. What flavor is it? Ice, citrus, twist, spirit cooler.
Those are called I think I George. Ah, shoot, you should share yourself. Yeah. How would you get it? No, share. Okay, George.
Uzolwa nayo.
Easy, easy. I chafa.
Ayikho ice. Ayikho
Spicy.
Bengish Joti is minty.
Is it not?
It's not minty at all. But it's nice.
Is it? I don't like it. I don't like it. I mean,
It's not that much. I wish it was more.
100%. I mean, I prefer this one. I like this one.
I've had this one before.
Good black. I am this colorful. I was just about energy drink. Black. Nice, right?
But it's sweet for me right now.
Yeah, you can't. But
I can't.
The ice is
It's not bad, man. It's not bad. 7 out of 10.
I enjoy this one.
7 out of 10.
Wow, when are going to competition? Get ready to chew.
Hey guys, currently at the garage, getting a pie. I'm starving. Sawana? Yaphila? Tolu patala for a pie. Sorry? A pie. Nice to sleep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nothing slaps better than a steak and kidney pie. If you don't pizza, come let's fight. Guys, I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. FYI, never fought in my life physically with anybody. Wouldn't dare to, because why? Why? We're at the mall, want to deposit some cash quickly, and then We're gonna make our way to a funeral. I'm not vlogging the funeral. I'm not vlogging the funeral. So let's deposit. Ngiyayithatha. Banchika. I'm taking it with me. Woo. Sorry. Yeah, so let's go in and deposit, and then we'll be out. I'm not feeling myself. I found this wig. I found it in a bag. I literally thought, because the last time I had it was when we went to Cape Town with Cal, and I just couldn't find it after that. And it's sitting in a bag, you know, so I found it eventually. So now I'm wearing it, but imadlili, guys, imadlili. So I'm not happy. But this, yeah, I'm not happy with my outfit. So some bensio deposita, guys, and then we're gonna head to the funeral. Look at how hot my husband is. Okay.
Shades on you, by the way.
Yes, they're in my bag. Love him so much. Okay, let's get in and deposit.
Holding
Euros. Ntwana. This sound is so therapeutic. So therapeutic. Oh, power couple, my God. Power couple, wabanchana.
Oh, you want that thing to hold like this?
Yeah.
All of this time with the image of something.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually not bad.
It's actually cold.
It's cold.
I jump easy. Oh, I need to take a picture. I-10, I-20, Elantra, doesn't matter which car. As long as it's the force.
I decided to change the Latugulelana because I realized the mess, you know, and stuff. It kind of lamb me over. So I just took my mom's hat, which I'm wearing right now. Excuse me, sorry. So yeah, I think this is much better, even though I'm not like 100% feeling myself, but this is way neater than oh hell no, bro. So this is much better. All right, guys, my brother's keeper. It's a hello, go vlog. First born. Oh, I'm going to show when we first born.
Go take the back. Yeah, I'm following you.
Hlale phansi. Bathi hlala phansi ubamba umthetho.
Yewena makhayidi.
What do you mean?
It tastes weird, or him. Let's see smoke.
Oh, zenenye.
It's smoky.
Uyafuna kawufuna.
Beef.
Let's see creamy.
See creamy.
Awufuni. Okay. All right.
Subscribe to the channel.
Next.
I want to get on YouTube.
Yeah, blog. I ain't invest. My most wanted. I ain't going to record.
But you
these things that are behind there are not I think I like when it rains. Isikosithini emntaneni. Isikosithini emntwaneni.
Just eat and then go.
ngicela inyama she ingafoma apha kuloku waphethe la nana she can't see us sifake singangathathi one.
Guys, I'm at Pick and Pay Liquor looking for where is Gordon's. It's 165. Yeah guys, so it's in the afternoon now. I think it's got to 5. So Ken and I are having Gordon's. And we tired, both of us, ready to go home. I slept the side yesterday. My kids are still geet. So my kids went from Lago Koko to Geet because it's all within the same kasi. So Konamanja says, oh, we're gonna go down and pick them up, and then we're going to come back, and then I have to take my clothes, line Lini, and then we're gonna be headed home. Probably gonna get the Burger King or McDonald's or something because I am not cooking. So yeah guys, yeah, here's my lover. Hey love.
Hey love.
Hey lover boy.
Hey love girl.
Ready to get the kids back.
No, peace.
Right, but yeah. Yeah. Cheers baby. Later guys.
What you say?
Thank you. Yini manje lesenhloko timcumsuse lesi sayidini ekhanda lakhe yini
Syrup sauce is all the same. Shift.
Good morning, hello beautiful people, happy Saturday and welcome to a new day of this vlog. We are, last night we didn't go. Thank you. Thank you, Ori. Yesterday we were so tired. We ended up not going to the mall to go and deposit the rest of the cash that Cal wanted to deposit. So just going to quickly go there now. And then I want to also go to OBC and probably Boxer to just get a few things from there. And then what else? Yeah, we'll see, man. Whatever we do, we'll see. But as I'm in cinema, guys, hope you're still enjoying this vlog. My kids are back home. My heart. What's this cutscene? Paying.
Do you see the speaking sign language?
Don't cut video like
Yeah. Nganipisa amafoni wenu. Guys,
2,000 something. I was
just gonna do a discam run before Sambasya box on OBC, and then finish the music run, and then we're gonna go home. I'm gonna do the unboxing because she's here, so we can do your unboxing, guys. Yeah, let's go discam and then go. Gosh, I felt so sad. I need a dark and lovely something.
this is trying to buy chocolate.
Yeah. Okay. Bamba. Okay guys, we're leaving the mall now and we are going to Boxer and OBC to get a shebo. I really want to make
Bolognese.
yes, I'm a
Meatballs.
spaghetti meatballs. I really want to try them, but I'll see. Yeah. It's tomato paste la. Why ngathengi lela cabbage lala? As I'm saying, food lovers, guys, I can't be here and not go to food lovers. What kind? I want to make you something very nice.
So that's gonna be lunch. I'm gonna have
I think hey, lower.
look at these.
Yeah, that's alright. Hey, yele. Yes, mama. Okay. Yeah. It's obvious, dude. Go outside and get one. Grab. Please grab them, love.
Grab them.
And then we're going. I'm done. They're quite big, né?
Yeah.
20 bucks is worth it.
Fish paste. Pepper steak.
I'm gonna taste it.
Of course.
Let's taste it again. Isentshebeni yakho. How's it taste?
Now I have.
Fresh.
Now I have eaten.
Yeah? Oh. Nah. I'm not doing this.
That fast.
I am not doing this, baby. Let's go away. Nah. Stir fry. Angike mudini namhlanje. Ding me. How much is it, gun? Why are we eating though? Tomato paste. These juices. Yes. 35 rand. Oh. 120, y'all. Food lovers, so pretty. The purple. Cal found the spicy noodles.
25.
Really?
25.
Eh. Son, is it?
Bananas, 17.99 specials.
In a tunnel, just take the ice cream from your brother. No, they don't.
Ish, look at these bananas, they're way better. I shouldn't have bought those ones. Sawan?
Mama, you were gonna tell you never ever again.
The options here are endless. See what I can get. The famous mimosa, it's 100 rand. No ways, I'm not spending 100 rand for that right now. Let me get myself a nice bottle. For 100 rand, not right now. No, I don't want that. It's the ones, yes, when we had that girls, what? Never.
Let's get two.
Think of natural sweets.
That's not bad. What's the name? Oh, the porch. The one is about 60 bucks.
Hey, this one. Ne? And it's a nice one. This bowl.
Some people make bottles like it looks like there's something else. This looks interesting.
Should I go for this one? Sweet red, nice sweet red. Made of yo. Ish, I'm not sure. Should I? I'm gonna try that. This taste, there's so many hams in this road. I hope you guys can hear me. We bought a Mayfair London Dry. Cal actually found it. Mayfair London Dry. Gin and dark cherry. Let's taste. can grab. Wow. Guys, a quick haul. We just came back from the shops. I got cucumber, lettuce. I got carrots, and then I also got onion. So that's what I got. And then the next thing, if food lovers, we got these juices again. And then I told you, but the kind guy showed me. Food lovers as well. We got these oranges. It's that season, guys. Eat your vitamin C. Food lovers again. We got this one that we always buy, like I must see that. We went past the bakery and we got 2 breads, zipichile, and then we got these buns, these thingies, basically, from Boxer. OBC. Okay, this is Boxer sausages. This is liver from OBC. Mixa, guys. And then from Boxer, we got potatoes as well. And then I want to be quick, guys. I don't want to take too long, honestly. Got mayonnaise from Boxer. We got the sauce from OBC, barbecue sauce. And then I'm a phone when guys land. What's this? From Boxer we got this. What's this? This ground beef mince. And then from OBC got this chicken lena. And then we got 5 of these. Spicy noodles that we love so much. But that's 5 of them from Food Lovers. And then from Food Lovers also got this tomato paste as well because I want to do a nice spaghetti bolognese meal. And then we got this barbecue spice, Inyama, it's Inyama choma, barbecue spice. This is from OBC. And then from Boxer we got these Viennas. Gonna make them a hot dog. And then what's this? Oh, from the side of the road got these bananas. Also got these grapes at the same place. These grapes as well with these bananas. Like at the side of the road outside the mall. More liver from OBC. And then from Food Lovers, from Food Lovers I got this butternut lena from Food Lovers. Got these crowned chicken burgers. This is Tandayo.
Hello, Black.
And then also got a coleslaw. Because tomorrow I want to make a nice meal. I'm going to make a dumpling sasa. I bought yeast. I can't find my yeast. But I'm sure you can't understand. I also got yeast. But I don't see it. I don't see my yeast. Oh, and I got yeah, I can have some. Then I also got yeast. Yeah. Got my yeast. Here it is. Yeah. Then I also got a bottle of wine again. It's Hessenberg. Then we got others as well. What else? Yeah, I think that is it for the whole, guys. There's nothing else there. Oh, and then I went to thingy. I went to Discam. I did go to Discam, though. As he's doing his phone, I didn't take them because I thought it was going to be less at Discam. I wanted to buy a relaxer for my hair, but I couldn't find le specifically that I can love. Because Leo Anxious, it's the blowout one. But instead I got this Essence lip gloss, which I've heard good things about. Okay, I wanted to try it now. Let me open it and see. But okay, fine, I'll open it. And then I went to my favorite shop and got my face masks. I got the pomegranate one. Haven't tried the turmeric one, so I'm excited to try this one, turmeric. Got 2 of them, and then got this one here, kiwi. So we got ourselves 4 masks. Super excited, even though Banji is gonna freeze. Let me open this lip gloss. Let's try out this lip gloss. Let's see what the whole hoo-ha is about. Ooh, it smells so good. There was a clear one, but I was like, nah. Let me take the one that has a bit of pink. Let's try it out. Ah. Mmm. Yeah. Definitely worth that. Marawaya. Began. Is it really supposed to be in that? Looks like it's a little big. Oh, yes. Okay, this was a good purchase. This was 40 rand. Definitely worth it then.
Mine was 10 rand.
Hers was 10 rand. Oh, it smells so good, Jenny. You want to try?
Let's switch.
You want to try? Okay, guys, that's it. Let me quickly I want to close this vlog off now. So let's quickly unbox that package that I received. Let me go fetch it.
Okay, guys, so it smells so good.
Did you play it? Because
The smell is so good, guys. Oh my god. Ah. Oof. It's so nice, mother.
Imagine, and it smells so good. I can imagine label if you're Indian.
It's nice, look.
I need to take pictures of this box. Guys, she said it the other day when I went to my mom and love's place, so that's the burnt mark. But yeah. Nali eat box. Let me quickly take a picture of it. Or I'll just screenshot from here. I'll probably just screenshot saying it myself. Where's the scanner? Let's see what is in the box. How do I open which side? Nibhalwe fragile. Njoba si ravaza kanje thina. Yona ithi fragile ngaso sikhathi. Okay. Let's see what is in the box. Guys. I'm so curious to see. I waited so many days to open this thing.
Waiting for me.
Waiting for my girl. Let's see. I'm vlogging here. What are you doing? Make sure I open. Wait, guys. Amanza Valley.
Z4. Mama, tell me turn on a new one. Z4.
Within a day, no? There's 3 packages in here. Well, once again, wait, I'm vlogging here. Okay, keep on for the first one.
Not keep on the second one.
Once again, guys, still on I think this is handy Andy. I can tell. You can open it on tape. Open this one. This is. Can you stop being too much?
This is for all.
This is. Where I sleep. This is washing powder.
Yeah,
you're already 10 minutes into this thing. That shot that is in place before. Okay, so this is what I got, you guys. Let me just cover the other information. But yeah, these are the products that I got. Let's open them because it's quite. I'm super grateful. Okay, so we got Handy Andy, guys. Cream eucalyptus, so yay!
Nice idea.
I don't have to buy Handy Andy.
I'm scared, Mom.
You need to use scissors, CJ.
Like,
What? No, you keep it from like a person.
cut it.
I'm hoping there's supposed to be 2 things in
Yes,
there.
there is.
There's 2 things there. Ooh. Pomegranates. That's all.
I want something pomegranate.
Thank you. Look at the size of the soap they bought, you guys. I mean, they gave us.
This one is not too fat.
Inle. 500 grams. But oh, about 2 kg. But I don't have to do content for this, so it's fine. Let's keep on. There are never guys.
This rice doesn't keep this whole family. This rice can eat one person. Yeah, this rice can eat 2 persons. One person that I know. 2 persons. Guys, now we're making the smallest things in the world. Smallest things in the world.
But anyway, I'm grateful. That's everything that was in the box, guys. I'm grateful.
Show them, Mama. Show them inside. There's nothing you're missing.
Guys, I'm closing off this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for
This is
subscribing.
my box. I'm giving you my box.
I can have that box, it's fine. I will see you guys on the next vloggy vlog. This was chaotic for a month. I didn't think I was going to take 10 minutes right now. That's good, that's fine, guys. I will see you guys on the next vlog. Come say bye to the vloggy, guys.
Love you.
Come say bye. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye. See you next time.